We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 desktop mini PCs. The 5th product on our list is the Asus Chromebox 3. The Asus Chromebox 3 runs on Chrome OS and has built-in security that automatically installs the latest software updates and fixes to keep it safe from malware, viruses, and other threats. It integrates Intel Celeron processor with 4GB DDR4 memory, gigabit LAN, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 32GB M.2 SATA SSD. Thus, it makes a super fast mini PC and the favorite choice of many. In addition to its fast speed, it also offers powerful networking capabilities and allows you to enjoy faster and more stable wireless connections thanks to dual-band 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. It also has the complete support of Android apps from Google Play on Chrome OS that gives you the ability to run your favorite mobile apps with a mini PC's power. Signing in with the same account on your Chromebook and Android tablet will update your PC with all the programs on your tablet and vice versa. Furthermore, it has incorporated Intel 4K UHD graphics that supports dual monitors using HDMI and DisplayPort over Type-C for compatibility with legacy display connections like VGA and DVI. The extra resolution of 4K adds better definition and clarity, resulting in lifelike images. Asus Chromebox 3 befits work environments because it operates in notable silence because of its optimized fan settings that keep noise levels down to just 19.3 decibels at idle. It is as quiet as a library. The fan helps lower operating temperatures, so you're guaranteed silent, reliable performance. Its pros are: it is lightweight and easy to carry. It is ultra-fast with a fast boot time, and it supports dual 4K UHD displays for sharp visuals and powerful productivity. However, the cons are it is a pricey product due to the cost of its components, and it only has 32GB of SSD storage. If you want a mini PC that is ideal for your home or office with excellent connectivity and speed, Asus Chromebox 3 is well worth considering. Up next in the 4th place is Intel NUC8. Intel NUC8 is a mini PC that runs on a 2.7 GHz processor speed and quad-core 8th generation Core i7 CPU model. It is a super fast and responsive PC that goes virtually anywhere. The NUC is designed in a heavy box, with the device itself being enclosed in an electrostatic plastic bag. The box also contains a 19-volt 4.7 A AC/DC power brick adapter and VESA mounting plate. On the back of this device are one HDMI port, two 2.0 USB ports, one USB Type-C port, and the power connection. With its Intel Iris Plus Graphics 655 and support for triple displays all in 4K Ultra HD, you enjoy the tremendous visual immersion. Other connectivity options include Thunderbolt 3, HDMI 2.0A, and DisplayPort 1.2 via USB-C. It does have excellent connectivity with its 4 external USB 3.1 ports and a single USB Type-C Thunderbolt connector. It is bounded as it only supports a single SATA drive, but a single M.2 drive can also be used. It does support 32GB of RAM, but people have found that it can also work with 64GB of RAM. Intel NUC8 would make a perfect mid-range system for your demanding office work that involves typical office applications, web browsing, and video streaming. The CPU and GPU in the system would work well as mid-range gaming or video and audio systems. Its pros are: it has efficient power consumption, it is quiet, even under extreme CPU stress, and it supports dual 4K UHD displays for sharp visuals and powerful productivity. However, the cons are: it is one of the most expensive mini PCs, and it has no power backup. It turns off during power outage. If you want a super fast PC and a responsive system with efficient power consumption, Intel NUC8 is well worth considering. Still haven't found a mini PC that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the Dell Optiplex 3070. The Dell Optiplex 3070 features versatility, space-saving form design with customized deployment options, and 9th Gen Intel Core processors that ensure faster and smarter experiences. Besides, it allows for smooth sailing. You can expect a better performance than ever before with support for up to 32 GB of the latest 2666 MHz DDR4 memory, and enable you to launch your frequently used files and applications in QuickTime with optional Intel Optane memory. Specific to your needs, it can preload and accelerate your frequently used applications and files, providing better responsiveness without compromising storage capacity. Everyday tasks are twice as responsive with Intel Optane memory. With full power features in a space-saving design, the micro desktop takes up less space, so you can increase productivity with an organized workspace. You can maximize any workspace with a fully adjustable 21.5-inch monitor on a small stand. An ultra-thin bezel enables dual and triple display productivity. Furthermore, this product has the latest 802.11 AC Wave 2 Wi-Fi for improved wireless performance. You can stay connected at a greater distance from your router and deliver top Wi-Fi speeds for faster streaming. Dell Optiplex features TPM 2.0, chassis intrusion switches, and optional cable and port covers. In a world of growing attacks, Dell Trusted Devices has embedded optional security solutions and services to keep your competitive advantage. Its pros are: it has enough space on the hard disk to accommodate most of your files. It is a high-speed PC, and it has several USB ports to allow you to use as many as possible at a time. However, the cons are: it is slightly heavier in weight, and it lacks NVIDIA Pascal architecture. If you want a great quality PC with a large hard drive space, several USB ports, and exemplary CPU configuration, the Dell Optiplex 3070 is well worth considering. The second product on our list is the Zotac Magnus. Zotac Magnus is a powerful mini PC with 7th Gen Intel Kaby Lake Core i7 7700 processor that enables big number crunching and true-to-life physics calculations. It is designed with breathability and striking the perfect balance between power and thermals for robust performance. It tackles demanding creative workloads, boosts your productivity and power through any experience in the most compact form factor. It also has excellent speed for creativity and enables your creative juices to flow from thought to draft faster with a 7th generation core processor, thus allowing you to get responsive performance. Furthermore, it provides 4K resolution, 360-degree experiences, runs virtual reality applications, and handles powerful rendering, computing, and multitasking. In other words, you can stream 4K UHD videos, run virtual reality (VR), and play the most demanding games without hassle. You will find additional ports available on any modern motherboard at the back of the box that is essential for gamers and content creators. There are 2x HDMI 2.1 ports and a 1.4 DisplayPort output that can essentially be used for a triple monitor setup. There are 4 USB 3.0 ports at the back, USB 3.1C port, 1 gigabit port, and 1 2.5 Gbps port. The 2.5 Gbps port is meant for accessing files from network storage at offices or NAS drives. Another essential feature of this PC is that the GPU runs at 50 to 60% capacity even when the CPU usage goes up to 70%. Its pros are: it has GeForce GTX 1080 graphics for the ultra-fine quality gaming experience. It is a virtual reality VR ready PC, and it has a small form factor and compact size. However, the cons are: it runs hot at prolonged usage, and it can get loud. The Zotac Magnus is an exciting product with high dedicated graphics and processor speed, a good buy for the game and VR lovers. Before we reveal number 1, check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. Be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the market's best products. Finally, our top desktop mini PC is the 2020 Lenovo ThinkCentre. The Lenovo ThinkCentre Tiny is a heavy-duty, business-ready PC and the perfect choice for progressive IT managers looking for high-performance, reliable, and secure desktops. It is easy to set up, deploy, and manage in any office environment. It also boasts of the latest processing, memory, storage technology, and extensive storage capacity options. Besides, they come with robust security features to protect your critical data and the built-in trust your organization can count on. It is about 96% smaller than a full-size desktop, but is as powerful and responsive. With up to 6 core Intel processors plus PCIe SSD storage and DDR4 memory, it takes all in its way, enabling you to get things done more swiftly and efficiently. Another great feature is the smart USB protection that lets you cap what USB devices can access your PC, while ensuring that no malware enters the system or through USB ports. Also, your data is encoded via the Trusted Platform Module, TPM. The ThinkCentre Tiny is packed with ports, including USB 3.1 Gen 2 for faster charging and transferring data, even if the PC is shut down or in sleep mode. With DP and HDMI ports standard and a voluntary third video output, you can push up to 3 different displays, all at 4K resolution, for your premium viewing experience. Its pros are: it is lightweight and easy to move around. It runs games, photos, and video editing applications with lag-free performance. And it provides smart USB protection, preventing data leak or theft. However, the cons are, it has little room for internal expansion, and the keyboard and mouse are wired. The 2020 Lenovo ThinkCentre Tiny is an exciting product perfect for users, especially IT managers, because of its fast speed, super power, and lag-free performance. That is all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.